GIE Expo 2021. Folks, this has been a lot of fun coming in, experiencing GIE this year. If you ever get a chance, I highly suggest it. My favorite part of this expo was actually getting to meet all the YouTubers that I've gotten to know online, all the Instagram guys. It's just been a real pleasure. That'll work. What's going on, fellas?
How's it going?
To try to run a couple of different pieces of equipment outside. That was a lot of fun. We also got to see all the new gear out here, which is a big deal for this industry. Now, I'm just a homeowner that gets to do some fun stuff, but it's still kind of cool to dream about using some of this equipment. It gives you some good business ideas, and it's definitely worth coming out to take a look at it.
Yesterday, but full of energy.
The last stop before Germany.
Hey, the last stop before Germany, man. If you ever get a chance to come out here, I say you should do it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the time that we got to spend out here. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good week, everybody. I'm going home.